Okay, class, let's move on to the next topic. That is your authority of a constitution. That means what are the responsibilities, how much responsible a constitution is, what are the powers and functions of a constitution is. Okay, so these are some of the things that we have already done, right? So in short, the authority or the power which is there in the hands of a constitution is to provide an individual citizen of a particular country with certain basic principles. Okay, with certain basic principles. Now, when we are talking about principles, okay, we are talking about the principles like equality. We are talking about the principles like equality. We are talking about the you can say principles like freedom, okay, to provide equal justice. So these are some of the principles, okay, which are needed to be provided to a particular citizen. We are talking about Indian Constitution, so we can take the example that it's the authority, it's the responsibility of the Indian Constitution to provide the citizen with certain basic principles like equality, freedom, justice, so that at least they will be able to maintain their minimum standard of living. Okay, now at the same time we also know that in our first video we have done that the constitution is of 4 types. No? Written constitution, unwritten constitution, rigid constitution, and last was our flexible constitution. So when it comes to the Indian Constitution, one of the basic and important feature that comes of Indian Constitution is your Indian Constitution is a written constitution. Okay, another feature of Indian Constitution that comes is your Indian Constitution is rigid as well as flexible constitution. Are you getting? So by the term authority of a constitution, we understand that every constitution is basically a document that comprises a number of articles, okay, whether it is for a particular state or for a whole nation. Okay, so it's a document that comprises a number of articles, and it also specifies that in a particular state, in a particular nation as a whole, who have the power to constitute it, and what are the norms, what are the principles which are needed to be provided to the citizens by the constitution. Okay, at the same time we have also seen that there are many constitutions around the world where the constitution are in a written form. Are you getting? Just like the Indian Constitution. Okay, so there were different questions that arises in our mind when we hear the term authority. So authority, you can say it's basically the principles which have been provided to the citizens of a particular nation by the constitution in form of equality, in form of freedom, in form of a justice. Okay, so this is regarding the authority of a constitution.